Hi, I'm Heather Kappmeyer. I am the customer service lead. I had a customer that reached out with a challenge that he was having for labels that go on a water heater at the time of installation. His techs were juggling a ridiculous number of roles on the job site. Hot water, cold water, gas lines, you name it, there was a separate role for each label. It felt like they were asking their techs to carry a small mini hardware store in their tool bags. We thought that there had to be a better way. I proposed a kitted label, which can have multiple smaller labels on one consolidated sheet that includes everything that the installer will need to label the water heaters as they are installing them. It includes the hot water, cold water indicators, even a schematic design drawing, all in one place. It's organized, it's intuitive, and it's hard to lose in the back of a truck. The customer loved the results. It saved time. His techs didn't have to dig around for the right roll or worry about running out of a specific label halfway through the job. They grabbed one sheet, peeled off what they needed, and kept moving. It cut down on installation time and it keeps them moving forward. It is a simple solution, but it solved a real problem. And when you are on the job site, simplicity is key, which is one of our missions here at Metalcraft, is to help make the complex simple.